So thank you, Alex, Murat, and John for setting the stage, and really for all of you for being here and for being disengaged. So I just want to take 5 minutes of your time to tell you a little bit more about how we are going to organize this, what is going to be our overarching goals, and then we will hand it over to our keynote speaker for today. So just to tell you a little bit more about RFDataFactory and the goals of the workshop, let me start out with what the workshop goals are. So the first one is for us as a community to outline the technical challenges on all aspects of RF dataset creation, sharing, and use. We will discuss what access methods are available, what tools, platforms, and methods exist, where are the gaps. And importantly, we can't do this just going solo as either academia or industry. So we want to explore collaborative methods where industry and academia can come together for effective sharing. So at a more project level, RFDataFactory is a CCRI project funded by the National Science Foundation. So we also want to take this opportunity to collect community feedback on how can this project best serve the community. We also want to establish a blueprint on where we should all be going, and we want to write a comprehensive report to the National Science Foundation. And you just heard that this report could influence some future steps from their end as well. So what is RFDataFactory? So please visit us at www.rfdatafactory.com. It's really a platform for accessing and sharing RF-centric data sets. And so this is meant to be a community resource. It is funded by the National Science Foundation under a CCRI award. But more importantly also, we are seeing contributions from different academic groups, participation and engagement with industry. And we are really hoping that you will hear a little bit more from them today and see how best and explore how best you can contribute to this. There are multiple data sets already available. They are categorized. You can just click one of them and options will open up. So again, all these are available in www.rfdatafactory.com. In addition to data sets, we also want to make APIs available that make it easy for you to collect data, lower the bar for first-time users, and especially create tools for other investments that NSF has done, especially through the Power Program, Colosseum, and so on. There are a number of tutorials where we have walked you through the steps of collecting these data sets. And this is something that, these are YouTube videos that are all linked, and some of these connect also to the actual data set. So you really can walk through and see this is how it was used, this is how it was collected, and so on. We want this to be a community resource in the sense that let this be a platform for discussion and also raising questions and putting interesting thoughts and ideas together. So there's a blog area as well, a news article area. So please send us your contributions, or if there are pressing thoughts that we should highlight for the community. So this is the workshop format. We have 2 keynote talks from the FCCA and NTIA representatives over the next 2 days. We have 2 informational panels from international experts who will tell us what is working and not working outside of the US. Then we have 3 breakout panels and discussions, and this is a mix of US academic experts, government experts, industry experts. And then finally, we also have a couple of demos and talks from industry and other entities who have really built some of these tools and are now open sourcing this. So I think this will be a fascinating discussion. And yes, there is dinner tonight. So it's going to be a little bit of a walk, but please do come. Finally, please save all the receipts. We will send out instructions for reimbursements. There is also, you have been emailed out individual Wi-Fi passcodes. If you don't have them for some reason, get in touch with us. We'll make sure you're online. Just a quick survey of workshop attendance statistics. Now, this is only the people who have formally registered. There are also many others who are sharing the password, the ones who are appearing online. So for online, we have about around 26% government, 31% industry, and 43% academia. And in person, we have about 7% government, 13% industry, and around 80% academia. So I think this is going to be a good mix of different viewpoints, and really looking forward to that engagement. So that's all you're going to hear from me, at least early this morning. And we're going to move